guys, what's up? So today I'm going to Zanzibar and it's the first time I'm getting on Zan Fast Ferries. So far it's really good. We got into the VIP room here. It's really nice so far. Good thing about this is that there's Wi-Fi service. So that's another boat, the Zen Fast Ferry boat that's coming from Zanzibar. It came out from there at around 7 and it's here by 8 a.m. so it takes like around just 1 hour to 1.5 hours to reach the destination. That's how fast it is, guys. These are the timings from Dar to Zanzibar. These are the timings from Zanzibar to Dar. Note it down, guys. So we're just leaving right now. It's I think 8:28 or 8:29 right now. So let's see what time we reach. For the people that don't know, this is Dar es Salaam. That's Kigamboni, by the way. That's the Kigamboni port. This is the country where the sun never sets and it's always summer. It's a beautiful beach. It's beautiful, guys. Full of nature. So now we're leaving Dar es Salaam. We're heading to Zanzibar. Once I reach to Zanzibar, I'm definitely gonna take a short video for you guys at the port and stuff. And yes, definitely I'll be making different vlogs for my day in Zanzibar. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure you watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. So you guys can even sit outside of the boat if you can't handle inside. So guys, we're already in Zanzibar right now and it's 9:35, right? Yep, it's 9:35. So yeah, you can't see the island properly. It was like this fog inside this window. So we're already here, guys. We're finally here in Zanzibar. We just come from Dar es Salaam and this is our ride. So, oh my god. Finally. My first day in Zanzibar, I have come here to this wedding. It's my cousin's wedding, so that's the thing that I especially came here for. So this is it, guys. I'm already at the hall. No one's here as yet. So guys, there are these really cute cupcakes on our table. This is the contact of the person that made it, and the person is my cousin's cousin. So make sure to order her cakes. They're actually delicious. I've tried them before. So I'm looking forward to having this one as well. And the packaging is like so cute, guys. You can order for like weddings, birthdays, and whatever celebrations you have at home. This is the contact. Let me zoom in. This is the contact, guys. Make sure you follow her on Instagram, and that's her calling number. She's based in Zanzibar, so everybody living in Zanzibar, make sure you place your order now. هنا نعم هنا كملت أفراحنا هنا ومغربنا بشعبه يبارك ويردد ألف مبروك. And I just shot some professional pictures with one of my aunts took them for me, so once I get them I'll definitely post them on Instagram, so stay tuned.
ألف مبروك ولادي ألف مبروك.
We're getting in with the groom right now. You can't see my face because it's dark.
مبروك مجزات مولانا ربي يحفظه يتربى يعيش مولاتي في عزكم هنا نعم هنا كملت أفراحنا.
So we're finally back from the wedding, and as you can see, I've taken off my makeup, I've changed my clothes. I'm on my PJs right now, more of wearing a dera. So yeah, this was my day today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So before I end this video, I just want to say something about my experience on my first time on Fast Ferries. It was actually a really great experience. It was a very chilled boat, and it was really fast, as it says, fast. So if you guys ever want to book your tickets, make sure you download the app, because the app is available right now. So make sure you download the app. You can book and pay on the app, so you don't really have to wait on the queue when you're going to the port. So yes, guys. So people, this was the end of my day. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe on my channel.